how can no one comments on your videos on TikTok and not allow comments or hide comments on your TikTok accounts or your TikTok videos. Today I will show you how to do this, guys. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. You will just go first and open TikTok. Then when you open TikTok, as usually, home will open automatically. You will just go down on your profile here, then click, and then go to this three line here and click again, and then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy here and go to comments, and then click comments here and change it to no one like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. Let's see you next